If your credit scores are in the 4, 5, or 6, and you're trying to remove negative items to increase your credit scores, to be able to buy a house, to be able to buy a car, to be able to get personal or business funding, well, you're definitely in the right place. AI is revolutionizing the way credit repair is done in 2024 and in 2025. So we just launched FreeScore Boost 4 months ago, and we've been helping people increase their credit score by 20 points, by 40 points, by 60 points, by 80 points. Even for the lucky ones, some even over 120 points in the first round. This AI has removed everything like bankrupt, charge-offs, tax liens, student loans, medical bill, repossession, child support. And like I said, only in the first round. And guess what else? It's very easy to use. It don't take up much of your time. We made it affordable, and this AI really worked, guys.
Hi, Serenia. This is Jewel from FreeScore Boost AI. Are you still interested in removing negative items from your credit report?
Yes.
What goals are you trying to accomplish by increasing your credit score?
Home buyer.
That's a fantastic goal. How would you feel once you achieve that and become a homeowner?
Great. More than great.
Do you want to know how our sign up process works?
Yes.
First, I will text you the Smart Credit link to get you signed up. After you sign up for Smart Credit, let me know. The next step is to connect your credit report to our free AI credit repair software. Once you've done that, I'll get you on the phone with James, our free AI support. He'll walk you through the dispute process. Congratulations on taking the necessary step to get your credit on the right track. James, our support agent, will be able to help you create your dispute letters.
If you sign up today, you'll get 6 months of support for 100% free from James AI, our free AI support agent.
Hi, Therese. This is James, your support specialist from FreeScore Boost AI. I'm here to help you create your dispute letters. I can help walk you through the software for free.
To be able to help walk you through the dispute process step by step.
Let's get started. First, are you logged into FreeScore Boost AI?
Okay, yeah, I'm stepping on that now.
Okay, it sounds like you're in the right place. So let's focus on creating your dispute letters. Please click on Add Dispute Reason for the first account. Our AI has already selected the dispute reason for you, so you just need to click Save after that.
Not only does the AI help you get started, it also recommendations on how to build your credit.
All right, since you have one credit card, it would be beneficial to get 2 more to improve your credit score, as revolving credit makes up 30% of your score.
This is 24/7, 365 AI support.
Perfect. Now let's focus on the negative items. Please select all the negative accounts that the AI has picked out for you by clicking on each item until they are highlighted in red. Let me know once you've selected all the negative items. Great job on completed the disputes for all 3 bureaus.
It is just that easy, guys. You get all 3 professional dispute letters sent to your email, straight to your inbox, ready to mail to the credit bureau.
Now, please check your email for the dispute letters from FreeScore Boost AI.
I did, Mr. James.
And also, they'll remind you when the dispute round is over, so you'll never be left behind and you'll never forget to send your disputes off on time.
Sending disputes is a timely matter, and it's important to send the letters out on time for the best results. Would you like us to book an appointment to help you send your letters on time every round?
Yes, I did say mail your letters. The credit bureau's AI has been getting really smart. They have been flagging dispute letters that's coming from the incorrect zip code. That's why it's very important for you to mail your letters to the credit bureau. And I know a lot of you are not thrilled about AI, or you're scared of AI, or you just don't want to deal with AI. And I understand that. I feel like you're talking to a robot. So if you want a more personable approach, we do have one-on-one support for only $347. You can get live human support for 6 months. And if that's too much to swallow, you can break those monthly payments down to $67 a month. Look, guys, I have spent the last 10 years of my life trying to be able to help people get financially free. Show them how powerful credit is and what it could do for your life. I have wrote a book called Credit and Funding, the stuff they don't teach you in high school or college. I have helped thousands of people increase their credit scores to be able to get things like houses, cars, loans, or even just to get a great credit score. So I know exactly what it takes to be successful with your credit. And I'm telling you, FreeScore Boost is the right choice. And my goal with this is to leave you no excuses why you don't have the credit you deserve, why you don't have the car that you you want, why you don't have the house that you want, why you don't have the things that you want out of life. I'm leaving you no excuses. So if you're truly serious about fixing your credit, building your credit, getting the things that you want out of life, like a house, like a car, personal loan, business loan, whatever that you're trying to accomplish, credit will help you do it. And if you're really serious about those goals and trying to meet those goals, then click the link below. Like I said, it's affordable, it's easy, and it's made just for you. Click the link below, call Jewel AI, and get started.